Looking to create a marketing plan, or do you want to deliver a presentation about your marketing plan? Well, in this video, we'll delve into the essential components of a well-rounded marketing plan and explore how to effectively present it using Prezi. A well-structured marketing plan is the backbone of any successful business. It outlines your strategies, tactics, and goals, providing a clear roadmap for achieving your desired outcomes. So it's important to include all the essential elements to set your business up for success. First, start with an executive summary. It should serve as an overview of the entire marketing plan and include key findings for market analysis, SWOT, and competitive analysis. Also, incorporate high-level marketing objectives and strategies, along with a summary of budget allocation and expected timeline. The summary should also briefly touch upon key performance indicators, or KPIs, for measuring success. Next, you want to go more in depth in each section mentioned in the summary. Starting with market analysis, include your market size and growth opportunities. Next, incorporate a detailed description of the ideal customer, including demographics, behaviors, needs, and wants. And lastly, introduce a thorough competitive analysis. This also includes a SWOT analysis of competitors and competitive advantage analysis, clearly defining your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. After, make sure your marketing objective outlines are clearly defined as measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals that are aligned with your business objectives. And for your marketing strategies, start with defining the overarching approach to achieve these objectives. Then include a strong positioning statement that's coupled with a well-defined branding strategy. And lastly, incorporate your pricing strategy to establish pricing objectives and methods. Next, it's time to include marketing tactics that detail specific actions to implement marketing strategies. This includes developing detailed plans for each marketing channel, such as social media, content marketing, email marketing, SEO, and paid advertising. Along the lines, define your promotional activities, campaigns, events, and public relations efforts. And finally, establish your sales and distribution channels, whether it's online, retail, or wholesale. Towards the final sections of your marketing plan, make sure to include a budget and timeline section that provides a detailed breakdown of marketing expenses by category, allocating resources to different marketing activities. Also, present a clear timeline for implementing marketing tactics and campaigns, including key milestones and deadlines. And the final key section of your marketing plan should be focused on evaluation and control. This means clearly identifying KPIs to measure marketing performance, such as website traffic, conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, and return on investment. Here, also include methods for tracking and analyzing marketing data, as well as evaluating marketing campaign effectiveness. And close this section with defining the process for making adjustments based on performance data to make sure you're improving campaign efficiency and effectiveness. Now, if you have your marketing plan ready and you want to create a memorable presentation and capture stakeholder attention, Prezi is the right presentation tool for you. Here's how you can create stunning presentations and stand out with Prezi. First, Prezi is known for visual storytelling, as it offers unique zooming and panning capabilities, making it an excellent choice for creating dynamic and engaging marketing plan presentations. Like in this example, the nonlinear narrative style allows you to move freely between different points of your plan, making your storytelling more natural and interesting. And you can easily zoom in on the specific details and zoom back out to see the big picture. This ability to highlight key points through zooming and panning helps to draw your audience's attention to crucial information. Furthermore, Prezi's canvas-like structure simplifies complex marketing plans by visually showing how different elements are interconnected. In this example, you can see how easy it is to organize your presentation and ensure clarity. This, combined with the ability to incorporate various media formats, will ultimately improve understanding and retention of information. Also, Prezi offers easy customization and flexibility. For example, you can choose from a variety of templates and easily tailor your presentation to match your brand and style. If your marketing plan changes or you receive feedback from your audience, you can quickly modify your presentation accordingly. And last, but definitely not least, Prezi's AI-powered features can streamline the presentation creation process. With Prezi's AI Presentation Maker, you can get quick and matching suggestions for layout, color, and theme based on your presentation title and description. The AI can also help you create animated slides from your bullet points and improve your writing with AI text editing suggestions. We hope this video provides you with a quick and useful overview of what your marketing plan should include and how you can turn it into a captivating presentation with Prezi. If you'd like to learn more about creating and delivering your presentation, look for some valuable resources linked in the description box below. I'm Nova from Prezi's marketing team, and I wish you success creating a truly impactful marketing plan. Have fun, and see you next time.